Bastian here. Here are some ways to start losing weight right this minute. Losing weight is not a subject you should just take with the grain of salt. To be able to lose weight the right way, start a plan and combine it with effort and your time. If you do, you are likely to achieve your goals. So, if you really want to lose weight, take advantage of the information provided here and start losing weight fast and safely. Folks wishing to drop some pounds really need to start exercising. It doesn't take as much exercise as you think to maintain your weight. Many people struggle with exercising daily. Parking farther away or getting off one boost stop before or after your regularly stop helps to add calorie burning activity to your day. Just walking several hundred extra steps per day can make a big difference. To properly lose weight, you must eat enough calories every day. Diets that starve you are extremely harmful. That is because when your body does not have food to nourish it, your metabolism will slow down in order to hold on to the fat in your body as well. Dieting in this way is hazardous to your health and can cause you to indulge in unhealthy beings. Everyone loves French fries. Unfortunately, these foods can be the downfall in a weight loss program. Thankfully, you don't have to completely eliminate French fries from your life. Instead of ordering them from your favorite fast food place, bake them yourself at home. Slice potatoes into half an inch sticks, mix them with a tablespoon of oil, add some salt and pepper and cook them for half an hour at 400 degrees. Use a spatula to loosen any caked on fries, turn them over, then bake them for another half hour. You will prefer this over the usual deep fried version because they are scrumptious with ketchup and they have a lot less calories. You can thank L'Oreal's kitchen cookbook for these yummy treats. If you enjoy potato chips but you want to lose weight, there are tasty baked version of the best chips. This product contains about 30% less calories and you should not be able to taste a difference. It is okay to not eat everything on your plate when you want to lose weight. Though many people are taught at an early age to clean their plate, it can cause internal struggles with those who battle to lose. But those leftovers in a box and take them home. Don't force yourself to eat your food. Pay attention to what you eat and stop as soon as you feel full. A good tip that may help you lose weight is to surround yourself with people who are active. Surrounding yourself with active people will encourage you to be active as well. Couch potato type will could have a negative impact on your activity level. Develop a workout schedule. If you don't set a time to exercise, you may not do it. You should schedule a time for daily exercise. All types of exercise will lead to weight loss. Sex appears to reduce unhealthy food cravings. In addition, sex can be a great workout and can burn a lot of calories. If done properly, sex can eliminate as much 150 calories every 30 minutes. Avocados are a wonderful weight loss food. They contain lots of fat, but it is good unsaturated fat. They are silky and rich, which makes them satisfying. Vegetarian taco or burrito with avocado in place of the ground beef can be as tasty as its meaty counterpart. As said earlier, weight loss success requires dedication, motivation, and smart planning in order to achieve real results. With the help of advice found here, you can make those efforts a little easier to manage as you work to lose those excess pounds. If you want my recommendation for the best product, click the link in the description, and good luck. Thanks, and